Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create multiple YouTube channels under one email. So if you already logged into YouTube with one email, you click on the top right here, you already have one channel set up, but you want to create other channels, YouTube channels under the same account, the same email, so you don't have to create multiple emails. So I'm going to show you how, so stick together until the end, and please give a like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. That's going to help me a lot. Thank you guys. So let's get started without further ado. And if you're on YouTube right now.com, you go to the right, your profile avatar, just click on it and you go down right here and find the settings button right here, settings menu. And once you click on it, it's going to show you this. This is the email that is associated with your YouTube account right now that you use to log in. So if you go down to your YouTube channel, you can see add or manage your channel. And right here, that's where you can add multiple channels. Just click on that. And now I already have 3 channels with this email. So I'm going to show you how to create another channel. So each channel can have different niche. Just click create a channel right here, and it's going to pop up this dialog right here. So just name your channel my new channel, and just give a handle name. So we're gonna leave it like this, and you can also upload your profile picture for your YouTube channel, and you can do this later as well. So you can change the name later as well, as long as it is available. So once you're done, just click create channel right here. It's gonna create your new channel, and you're gonna be able to upload videos and view the channel. So I'm gonna show you here. You're gonna refresh, and it's gonna show you the 4th channel right here on this. Select a channel. So this is the my new channel one. Just click on that, and that's the channel that we just created. And as you can see, there's no videos on here whatsoever. And if you want to switch back to a different channel, just click on the profile icon on the top and click the switch account. And once you switch on here, you're going to see all your channel that is under the same email right here. So if you want to switch back, just go here, so you can upload for the different channel that you have, and then you can create the videos right here on the top. So you can upload the video, and make sure to switch the channel before you upload the video, otherwise it's gonna go under the channel that you selected. And so that's how you create multiple channels. As you can see, you go on the profile, go to settings, go to add or manage your channel, and right now, as you can see, there's 4 channels under this account email. So if you find this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.